I've just undone and removed the screen off the Transalp. There's it all a bit naked there. Doesn't look real good. That's got the bracket from Greece on it that has raised the standard screen and makes it adjustable, and then the headlight guard on it. But the issue is that crack there. I think I might have sillily, good word that one, either over tightened or in one of the falls I've actually cracked that screen, the original screen. So what I've done is I've gone and purchased a piece of Laserlite, and made up a rough shape, sanding it up. It's obviously got the white paper over it, and come up with that. So I just cut it with the jigsaw to shape and sanded it over a little bit there, so that way then we get some smoother finishes. Hopefully it's relatively square on. The final job now is just to marry up and drill those holes. So I think I've pretty well done that, and hope for the best. The worst is $10 down the drain if I've done it wrong. Okay, and here's the finished product. $10 piece of Laserlite. Bit of trim that I had lying around in the shed just to pretty it up a little bit. And we've got the slight curvature in the screen, you can see. Sort of there, it's probably the shot to get it. And I've made it probably that bit higher than the regular screen finish down about there. So my new screen.